Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study a business model. First, pinpoint the core value a company delivers to its customers. This is the heart of any successful enterprise. Next, identify the essential activities and resources that drive its operations, from manufacturing to marketing. Finally, clearly define who the customers are and how the business interacts with them to build lasting relationships. Now, let's dive into the financial engine. Scrutinize all the ways a business generates income, including its pricing models and sales channels. Then, break down its cost structure, distinguishing between fixed expenses like rent and variable costs that fluctuate with production. This analysis helps you understand profit margins and the overall financial health of the operation. Understanding the external environment is crucial. Begin by assessing the size and growth trajectory of the target market. A growing market offers more opportunities. Next, thoroughly evaluate the competition, identifying their strengths and weaknesses. Finally, pinpoint what makes the business stand out, its unique selling propositions, and how it maintains a competitive edge. To conclude, look ahead. Consider the business's capacity for innovation and its ability to adapt to changing market conditions. Evaluate potential risks and identify opportunities for future expansion and diversification. A forward-thinking approach is vital for long-term success. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.